Good morning student. In previous video we have seen information about MIDC. Today's video, dear student, I am going to teach you new topic of this lesson, CSR. What is meant by CSR? CSR means corporate social responsibility. See page number 57. Today's video we will see information about CSR. When an industrialist or a group of industries work for the betterment of the society and for the conservation of the environment. Means when a group of industrialists or a group of industries, means first of all, okay, they make a group will be 10 industries, 50 industries, 100 industries, okay. They make group and their work is for the betterment of society, for the development of society and conservation of environment, okay, and that group is called as corporate social responsibility. Okay, student, we are seeing CSR. CSR means corporate social responsibility, means when a group of industries or a group of industrialists, okay, they work for the development of society as well as they work for the conservation of environment, okay, that group is called as CSR. Showing responsibility to society by helping needy people or needy organizations is an important task. So now we will see what is the main work of CSR. Okay, their main aim or their main work is to show a responsibility for the needy person or needy organizations. Dear student, you know, okay, there are so many organizations, but due to the lack of capitals, okay, they are not working, okay, you can say they are not working properly. That's why means CS are helping the needy person as well as they are helping the needy organizations. With these objectives, when an industry or a group of industries have made profit of over 5 crores, they are accepted to spend at least 2% of their profit on acts benefiting the society. So they made one law, or you can say they made one rules, means those industries are included in the CSR, okay, when, okay, they will cross the profit more than 5 crores, when they will cross, or we can say when they benefits 5 crores, at that times, okay, they have to spend at least 2% of their profit for the betterment or for the development of society or for the development of that particular region, okay, that is the main rule of CSR. अगर वो अपने बेनिफिट का, ओके, 2%, अगर उसका बेनिफिट 5 करोड़ से भी ज़्यादा या 5 करोड़ होता है, ओके, उस ग्रुप का, तो उसमें से सिर्फ इतना 2% जो अमाउंट आएगा, ओके, वो अमाउंट दे हैव टू स्पेंड फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सोसाइटी. सो वेयर दे हैव टू स्पेंड, इन विच फील्ड, सो ओके, they made, okay, point, okay, we will see in which field they have to spend. The first point, the provision of educational facilities. First point is where they have to spend 2% of their profit, educational facilities, for the educational facilities, okay, they have to spend. Next point, the provision of facilities related to health. For the health means you can say PSC, primary health center, or you can say different, you can say many hospitals, dispensaries, or those area, or you can say really needy, okay, for that conditions they have to spend for the betterment of health. Next point, for the development of social, you can say village or regions, or do you know student, means when they established their industries, okay, so those village nearby that industries, for the betterment or for the development of industries, for the development of that village, okay, they have to spend 2% of their profit. उस गांव का या उस रीजन का, पर्टिकुलर रीजन का विकास ओके करने के लिए वो जो अमाउंट है, ओके, वो अमाउंट दे कैन यूज. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, इस्टेब्लिशिंग सेंटर फॉर द पीपल लाइक एनवायरमेंटल डेवलपमेंट सेंटर. एंड लास्ट पॉइंट इज दे हैव टू इस्टेब्लिश environmental development center. Dear student, all of you know, due to the factories or due to the industries, our environment has become to be polluted, because all of you know, okay, they release different type of harmful gases, and these gases are very, you can say, harmful for our health. So for the environmental development center, okay, they have to establish environmental development center, and in that center they have to appoint those are really needy person. Means in this way they will give a job opportunity those are really needy person. Okay, that is the, you can say, we have seen corporate social responsibility. There is a tax rebate on the amount spent by industry or a group of industries on various scheme under corporate social responsibility. And last point, there is a tax rebate on the amount spent by industry. So okay, those, you can say, product or those amount, okay, they will, you can say, purchase, or you can say they will, you can say, send to other districts or other state. Okay, they will give, you can say, a scheme, okay, and on that scheme, okay, it is very beneficial or it is very profitable for the needy person. Means the group of industries are various scheme under corporate social responsibility. Okay, in this way these are very good, very beneficial, okay, very profitable for the betterment or okay for the, you can say, development of society as well as the needy person. In this way, dear student, today's video we have seen corporate social responsibility. Okay, next video we will see next portion of this lesson. Thank you.